Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best credit cards for college students in 2023, as we're ending 2023 and going into 2024. If you're a student who wants to build credit, earn rewards, and enjoy some perks along the way, then this video is for you. I'll be reviewing the top 7 student credit cards based on an article from Forbes Advisor, which you can see in the description below. Let's get started. The first credit card here on the list is the Discover It Student Cashback Card. This card is actually the first credit card that I got back in August of 2021, where I was just entering college. This card offers a unique combination of strong earnings rates and welcome bonus not typically seen in student cards. You can expect about a 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, up to the quarterly maximum once activated. Plus, you can also you can earn unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. The best part is that Discover will automatically match all the cashback you earn at the end of the first year. I absolutely loved it when I first got signed on. I honestly earned a lot more than expected. I'd have to look to see just how much, but this was a great perk alone with that sign-on bonus. There's no minimum spending or maximum rewards. This card also has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees. I used this card when I was in Japan this past summer, and it worked great. No problem using it at all. There's a variable APR of 18.24% to about 25.24%. This is going to be changing. Just depends on what time of the year and just how everything's going on within the banks. The only downside is that Discover is not as widely accepted as other cards, which I'm sure some of you guys know this by going to just certain retails. It's not always as accepted. The second card on the list, however, is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards credit card for students. This card lets you choose your own 3% cashback category from 6 options, including gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvements and furnishings. You also earn 2% cashback at grocery stores, which as college students, that's great, especially if you're trying to maybe have a party on a weekend or something. You also get 1% cashback on everything else. The bonus cashback is limited to the first $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter, so you can earn up to $75 per quarter or $300 total per year. This card also has a $200 cashback rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days, no annual fee, and 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 billing cycles, followed by a variable APR of 18.24% to 28.24%, a little bit higher than that of Discover. Its student card, the main drawback is that this card charges a 3% foreign transaction. So definitely use it in country. Don't use this card if you're traveling. The third credit card on this list is the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card for students. This card is great for students who want to travel or study abroad, as it has no foreign transaction fee. So if you're planning on doing a semester abroad, definitely take this card with you. You can earn 1.5 points per dollar on all purchases everywhere, every time, and redeem them for statement credits to pay for flights, hotels, vacation packages, cruises, rental cars, baggage fees, or restaurants. You can also earn 25,000 online bonus points after spending $1,000 in your first 90 days, which is worth $250 in travel credits. Now, $1,000 in 3 months as college students, that's not a lot. You got to think you're spending money on textbooks, supplies, and just, I don't know, for your coffees in the morning or whatever else it may be. $1,000 in 3 months is not that much. The only downside to this, however, is that the card doesn't offer any travel protections or benefits such as insurance or lounge access. As students, you maybe don't really need the whole lounge access and stuff. We're pretty laid back. We're still becoming adults, truly. So that's all right in my books. The fourth card on the list is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards credit card for students. This card offers a simple and a flat 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no categories or caps to worry about. You can also earn a $200 rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. No annual fee, and a 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles, followed by a variable APR of 18.24% to 28.24%. So pretty similar as the last card. Main drawback, however, is a 3% foreign transaction fee. The fifth credit card we have on the list is the Discover It Student Chrome card. This card is similar to Discover It Student Cashback with simpler reward structure. This one, it took me some time to actually try to figure out the differences and the ones that I went through, but here they are laid out for you. You can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, and 1% back on everything else. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you earn at the end of the first year, similar to the other card. This card has no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and 0% intro APR for 6 months, followed by that similar APR of 18.24% to 25.24%. The main downside here is, again, it's not typically accepted in stores as much as other cards, but for me, that really hasn't been an issue when it comes to Discover. It usually works in most places that I go to, regardless. Now, the sixth credit card on the list is Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card offers a generous 10% cash back on purchases made with Uber Eats through November 14th, 2024. Great idea. As college students, we're always trying to order stuff onto campus. If you're someone who likes to take Ubers or Uber Eats, definitely take advantage of this. There is an unlimited 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel, and 1.5% cashback on every purchase. You can earn $50 bonus after spending $100 in the first 3 months, which that's even less than $1,000 for the other cards. This card has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and some travel benefits such as travel accident insurance and concierge service. The main downside is the high variable APR of, you guessed it, 26.99%. So definitely try to avoid carrying any balances on this card. Be mindful of how you're going to be using it. Now, the seventh and final card on this list is Capital One Savor One Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This credit card offers a whopping 10% cash back on purchases made with Uber and Uber Eats through, again, November 14th, 2024. 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores. 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases, and 1% cash back on everything else. Again, you could earn a $50 bonus after spending $100 in the first 3 months. This card has no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and some extended warranty benefits. The main downside, again, high variable APR of 26.99%. Way too high. So these are the best credit cards for college students in 2023 as we head into 2024, according to Forbes Advisor. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which card you think is best for you and why. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.